Alright guys, this is gonna be a Glocktober video, yes, but it's not gonna be about none of these. So let me put all of these up real quick. Real quicksy woo for ya. Now, this project that I'm about to present to you guys, I planned on it already being completed, but it was not, alas. But we will need this slide, so we'll just pull that down real quicks like. And this one, the guy rod is, yeah, there we go. It be falling off. I don't know why. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna need that. Need this. Not gonna need that. It's gonna be my first attempt at a kind of an unboxing video. I got a couple more, but let me know what you guys think about this. I gotta black out the my name and stuff, so give me a second, because I don't want you guys coming to find me. So yeah, just black this out real quick. Stand by. Alrighty, so I think I got all of the important details blacked out, so let's give this a go. So let me put this off to the side real quick. Whoops, light kind of flashed me. So we'll actually open it from the non-tag side, just to be on the safe side. Alrighty, this is from Gorilla Machining, by the way, and this is after the p80 stay from the Supreme Court, I believe. So yeah, we're opening all of this upside down. So let's see, we got a packing slip with all of my information on it. So get that out the way. Then we got Les Productions. That's the products. All right. So we'll get these peanuts out of the box. I mean, this peanut box out of the way. I wonder if they gave me any extra stickers or anything. Nope. No frills. No problem. That's not really a problem with me. You know, it is nice sometimes when they give me extra stickers and stuff, but let's see what we got. Even though I know what we got, you guys don't know what we got. So let's see what we got here. We have the jig. Ooh, and we got the 2 drill bits. I think for this one I'm gonna need 3. I'll show you why in a little bit, and I'll make another in-depth detailed video on why p80. Bada boom, bada bing. I knew I shouldn't have threw away my jigs, but I didn't have a jig for this anyway, so yeah. So as you can tell, you already know what we got. You already know what we got. We got an 80%er. No, we have a 76%er, or whatever they're calling it. I don't know. This comes with, let's see, we got the 2 rails. These are upgraded rails too. I don't know if they're the polished, but they're not the ones that came with the old ones, with 2 pins. Yeah, and then we have, ooh, this is, yeah, already got some stuff I don't like on it right there, but we'll get that polished and taken care of and everything. Another p80 sticker in there, get that in the video. So boom, that's what we got. Now let's compare it. Like, let's size compare it. So this is a 17 size frame, this is a 19 size frame, and as you can see, if you compare the two, it is slightly longer. By how much, I don't know, nor do I care. Okay, and then it is longer in the back strap area. All right, so I don't have a lower parts kit for this yet, but I have to basically demill this out. So I already know the parts that I'm gonna need to demill. Just looking at how this is, let's see, probably gonna have to do this channel right here. Ooh, I'm gonna have to do, let me get my pointing Sharpie. So it looks like I'm gonna have to do this channel right here. I'm gonna have to do actually inside here to put the locking block right there and right there, it looks like. So on both sides, right there, and then let's see, that's all the same right there, Gotta take this down too for the locking block in the back. And then you have your normal areas that you have to take down. Boom, 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 and boom. So doesn't look like it's too hard. It looks like it can be done using a Dremel still. I don't know why they just wanted to make it more complicated, I guess. I don't know. No clue. But yeah, that looks pretty interesting. And this one doesn't have the any pin holes drilled, so I have to drill this, and this. I don't know the names of the pins. I know this is the rear pin, this is a trigger pin, locking block pin, locking block pin. So I have to drill those, whereas in this one I only had to drill trigger bar, locking block, and this one. So that's going to be really interesting on how I'm going to do it. Let me see if the jig even has a place for that. I don't think it does. An actual wait, it goes in here first. Man, this is tight. That's what she said. All right, so it only has the 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have to drill that third one. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I can probably guesstimate it, or I might not even. I think I do need it though for structural stability. So we'll get it figured out. Yeah, I can probably use this as a guide as well, and I can probably just get a screwdriver or something and mark the spot on here, and worst case scenario I'll just have a loose pin, I'll glue it in place or whatever, JB weld, whatever. But yeah, we'll get that figured out for sure. But man, I thought the jig would be slightly different, but it's not at all. We'll definitely clamp that down when we're working on it. But yeah, looks like you gotta just get that removed out of there. Boom, get that, boom, 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 boom. Then it should be working fine. I'm gonna do a different video, like an in-depth man, this is tight. An in-depth, but we're definitely gonna get this thing working. And moment of truth, not the one that I want though, but moment of truth, will this actually be a decent size for this? And yeah, I was gonna do like an integral comp build. I still can with this, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna get another slide for that purpose, and you will see that hopefully a little bit after Glocktober is done, because today's the 30th, so I got one more day, and it's not coming tomorrow. This actually took like 3 additional days to come. I don't know why, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about the 76% frame. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna suck, but we'll get through it, and we'll definitely have something nice in the end. So stay tuned for more. We got more coming. Peace.